How to link a GoDaddy domain to Squarespace. You can connect your GoDaddy domain to Squarespace using domain pointing, recommended, or domain transfer. Here's how to link your domain using both methods. Option 1, connect using domain pointing, recommended. Step 1, log in to Squarespace. Visit squarespace.com and sign into your account. Step 2, access domain settings. From the home menu, go to Settings Greater Than Domains. Click Use a Domain I Own. Step 3, enter your GoDaddy domain name. Type your GoDaddy domain name, e.g. your domain.com, and click Next. Step 4, choose connection method. Select Connect from Provider and choose GoDaddy from the list of domain registrars. Step 5, log in to GoDaddy. A pop-up window will appear. Log in to your GoDaddy account. Allow Squarespace to access your domain settings by clicking Connect Domain. Step 6, verify connection. Return to Squarespace and click Done. Wait up to 48 hours for the DNS changes to take effect. Option 2, transfer domain to Squarespace. Optional. Step 1, unlock your domain and GoDaddy log into your GoDaddy account. Go to My Products and click Manage DNS next to your domain. Scroll down to Domain Lock and toggle it to Off. Step 2, get the authorization code. Scroll to Domain Settings and click Get Authorization Code. GoDaddy will email you the code. Step 3, start the transfer on Squarespace. In Squarespace, go to Settings Greater Than Domains. Click Use a Domain I Own, enter your GoDaddy domain name, and select Transfer to Squarespace. Enter the authorization code and follow the prompts. Step 4, confirm transfer. Complete the payment and wait up to 7 days for the transfer process. Important notes, domain renewals. If you choose domain pointing, renew your domain through GoDaddy. If you transfer the domain, renew it through Squarespace. SSL certificate. Squarespace provides free SSL certificates upon successful connection. DNS propagation. It may take 24 to 48 hours for DNS changes to take effect when pointing the domain. By following these steps, you can easily link your GoDaddy domain to your Squarespace website using either domain pointing or transfer.